How's it going, everyone? I want to make a quick video on ADTX. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. This one is one of my most probable high-value setups. I want to make this quick so I don't hold you guys too long. But let me discuss why do I think ADTX is bullish. And I already made over 30% of these gains when this thing has spiked. And I want to encourage you guys, if you're up 10%, take it off, no question asked. That is my rule for all my Discord members. If you're up, take the gain. Because if you see, let's say you only put $1,000 in it, well, you're up 10%, you make $100. If you've seen that on the streets, you would have definitely picked that up and walked your way. So this is ADTX. Why do I like it so much is because we have not touched the EMA5 in a very long time. And not just because of that, there's other things that you want to look for, but look at this. Look at this massive oversold pattern. Our EMA5 hasn't got touched in hold up, baby problems here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 daily candles not touching this purple band here. And the reason why that is so important is because anything that don't touch that EMA5 in 7 daily candles is considered long. I have made pretty good money on this, and like I said, watch for the pre-market. That's when this thing loves to spike, is the pre-market gains. So, and then the next thesis of my bull thesis is we've been tugging this green band, which is customized to be extremely oversold. You see how we're just under it and we're hugging it? Anytime you see this hug it in like 7 daily candles, that is extremely bullish. And so I could show you many setups and of how, a lot of these setups have pumped easily, 50 to 100% gains doing that. So I have a very nice average here. I've been resetting it. I've been taking those 10% gains. And this right here, I mean, a lot of people that are in my Discord were able to make money on this, but if you didn't, just learn from it. Take these gains. This was a 72% gain, super close to the EMA5. If it just goes to the EMA5, you're missing out on just 10% gains. So never hold these things long. That's the nature of pennies. You want to get in and you want to get out. He's giving me all these baby toys. Alrighty, guys. So we have ADTX. Very high probability setup, is one of the best in my honest opinion. I think this thing can go up really big. The K value is at 1.31. That's that stochastic oscillator underneath. Anything that goes under 2 is extremely oversold. It's one of the best oscillators because it'll never go to 0. So yeah, definitely keep this one on alert. I don't usually use RSI. It's too inconsistent. But the reason why I think ADTX is good short and midterm is because of this EMA10 too. Look at this yellow band. Anytime in price history, you can backtest any stock, any penny, it doesn't matter. These EMAs will get hit. And that's why I want to put a lot of value on it, because we want to look for oversold patterns that are at the bottom and have massive room up to that EMA5 and 10. EMA10 hasn't got hit in 820. Well, it's 1013. That is a massive room of not hitting it. Like I said, anything I don't touch in 1 month is long. That has definitely been, I definitely want to make sure, I want to keep rinsing and repeating this. But like I said, I mean, if you just go to the EMA5, you're looking at a 34% gain, 33, 34. And that meets my criteria. Take those 10% gains. And what I love to do is I will take 80% of my position off when I hit 10% gain, and then hold that 20% of my shares and put that at break even. That way, if it does go under, I locked in gains, and it's going to be obviously a new low because that's very bearish. The next tip I want to give you guys, always buy at the end of the day. You can see how the sellers take it all throughout the day. If you buy at the end of the day, you have the best probabilities of getting a better average. As you can see right here, end of the day buy, well, guess what happens? We jump up right here. We make a 35% gain here. We already showed you this one right here, went over here, made a 70% gain. You can see why all these end of the days are making pretty decent returns. There's your 10% right in there. Obviously, it doesn't have to be exact science, but I think this is getting very bullish as we're kind of like slowing down. We're holding this 1.13 level. If it breaks 1.13, then yeah, it'll be, we're going to expect more room down for sure, but I think it's more room up than down. So yeah, this is my analysis on ADTX. I hope you guys take it for how you want it. I've made over 30% returns doing this exact strategy. I think this area right here is going to make the big pump, so I definitely want to have some shares in the game, and then also properly accumulate. If you have not watched my accumulation video, do it now. Go to Swing Trading Education and watch this video right here, how to properly accumulate my reversals. I'm not trying to say I'm going to get the absolute bottom, and I think ADTX at 1.13 will not ever go down. Nobody can say that. Anybody that says ADTX is going to go to 70 cents or below $1, they don't know that. They're just spreading fear. Just like, you know, the only thing we know is we are going to touch this lower band here, the green, and then this EMA 5, and then the 10. I don't know the time frame, though. I do know in past experiences, and for the majority, it's extremely rare to see not in 7 daily candles not touching this EMA 5. So that's why I say, you know, if you're up, take the gains, and if it decides to make a new low, you can get back in, buy it at the end of the day. So yeah, this is one of my favorite stocks. It's one of my best penny stocks. I think it's really good. And if you guys are bag holding, get a proper system like this one that wins over 9%. And if you didn't take the gains, you know, just learn from it. Always take the gains, because a lot of the times people make, they're just trying to aim too high, right? You know, I know people that didn't take gains at the $3 range, and guess what? How heartbreaking it is. We went from $3 now to $1, and now they wish they would. And you don't want to be like that. I've been there. I've done that. I'd be like, wow, you know, just give me 10 more percent, and I'll take out. You know, when you start doing that and you have no clear target, that's why I say define target. 10%, you're out. Hold 20% for a home run hit. Always buy at the end of the day. Make sure you have 7 daily candles, not touching this EMA 5. Make sure you have a very low K value. And if you do all these rules, you will have very high success in any type of market. Pennies are obviously more speculative, and that's why you got to accumulate properly. You're going to make massive money doing this strategy, guys. I just know it. If you click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, I have my Discord pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. It's very simple. Just use your computer or your phone's browser, and you'll use your Android just as normal. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or trade your accounts. And you can read the testimonies, how a lot of people have made lots of money. I made about 30% of my total portfolio in a few weeks, and I'm about to show you one of my favorite strategies. Like this guy right here, for the 4 months I have been on your Discord, I have not lost money, and all thanks to you and the people here. And if you want to have more strategies, what I mentioned was swing trading. Try my day trading strategy too. A lot of people are so scared to try other things. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month if you hit the server shop or just hit day trade alerts, and you'll get access to that. $12 a month, and you'll get returns of 10 to 20% gains in minutes day trading, just like the swing trading. Swing trading, it takes some time. You know, that's why I say accumulate, because overnight risk you cannot control. Whereas day trading, I'm in full control. I am in, I'm out, proper stop loss, and I can even show you the journal of why I think day trading is the best, and you can do it full time from your home or wherever you're at. This last October 11th, we made a 47% gain on QQ calls, IWM 10%, 12%, 10, 21, 17, 12, 10, 6, 50%, 10, 10, 18. The list goes on. Yes, we'll have some losses. We have a little bit of losses, but just one of my trades outweigh all this, and a lot of these times I'm on a win streak of over 25 trades in a row. So yeah, I do that because if you're just like hating pennies, then try something else, because if you're not having good success on it, try my day trading service. It's the same strategy, but I have two strategies with it where I use lower time frames and I try to get in and out doing fast strategies. You can do this with options or futures. I teach both, and a lot of people be like, well, I don't have much money at all. Well, you can do my prop firms. I have passed people's accounts. I have $100,000 in prop firm money that I've done trading this exact strategy. You can look up my funded futures here on the prop firm discount. I had this for everyone for free, and that just shows you that over 90% of day traders lose, but doing this strategy, I don't. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is ADTX. This is one of my favorite penny stocks because we have massive EMA 5 target and the massive EMA 10. And I'm very excited about it. I think this is going to be a very nice gain. And as long as you take the gains, I'm not here to say I can predict the future, but I can say the probabilities are in your favor. We just had a reverse split of 1 for 40. It's not that, massively big. And a lot of times after a reverse split, you guys will see these massive gains. So stay patient. Ignore the fear. This is definitely bullish right in here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.